Conor is the highest-earning MMA fighter. His precision and power in the ring is amazing. One of the main factors are diet rules that he is using.
Start to change. One look into your eyes and I'm floating far away.
He eats wholemeal bread or cereal and root vegetables. They provide slow-release energy that helps a fighter perform and aids brain functions. The consumption of carbohydrates varies hugely between training. So there will be points in their training that athletes require less, and times they require more. Conor believes that fighters should eat good dinner, with plenty protein in it. Chicken, salmon, some steak are essential protein sources used by Conor. Fighters need high-protein diet to build and maintain strong muscle mass. If they do not consume enough protein, they can lose muscle, and it can affect striking and grappling conditions. Water affects all body functions, including brain functionality. At least 2 liters consumed by Conor throughout the day. When fighters are trying to make weight, it's common that they will sweat themselves to get rid of water weight. This works to a point but needs to be managed very carefully. If they become too dehydrated, it often takes a long time to rehydrate their bodies, which will hugely affect their performance. The nutrients, minerals and antioxidants found in fresh fruits and vegetables helps to repair and recover and add essential fiber needed for MMA fighters. They improve longevity of an athlete's career. Products like broccoli, carrots and apples have rich fiber components and Conor consume it on daily basis. Conor believes that healthy fats help the body to recover faster by reducing inflammation. Fat is also used as a fuel source during low-intensity exercise.